God. Oh, fireworks smell. You guys should smell these. Whoa. Whoa, there's going by you.
That was close.
That was so close. That was so close to you guys.
He's scared.
That was right next to her.
That was right next to her. Oh, it's right behind her. Holy. Oh, that was funny. Holy.
You got your phone?
Yeah.
Oh, you ain't getting it.
Oh, that, yeah.
We're gonna start shooting off some smaller ones.
Okay.
All right. Oh, it's chunky. Look at this, buddy. Hey, that's my phone, buddy. Trying to lick you guys.
Huh?
Yeah, all I got is a phone.
Yeah.
He thinks that's a stick.
Yeah, he thinks this is stick.
Oh, Chunky.
We had one. It was Josh's.
It was so funny.
Oh, man.
Not that. Oh, dang. This is cool.
Yeah, I mean, he just like the first time she ever met him, he was playing too aggressive, and then the second time,
Okay, let's see. Let's see, guys. Okay, let's see.
like the first time it happened, I threw that dog so goddamn far. Oh, I would have too.
Holy, that was just crazy. But still, it's hardly light. It's
I
hard.
got a torch.
You don't got a torch.
Hey, yo. I got a torch. Hey, yo.
Hey, he got a torch.
Hey, torch.
I'll give it to him.
Oh, sorry.
He's just like, I don't care about that.
Always want to try to look and see
It's funny, guys. It's funny. It's so funny. Chunky. Chunky.
That is
Come
stick,
here, buddy. Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. Okay, let's see.
Is that right?
Look at that. Oh my God. It's funny though. It's fun.
It's okay, buddy.
No, I mean like that, not him scared.
It's okay, buddy.
She's kind of nice sometimes. I didn't even like that. It's funny. I like your hoodie. It's nice.
Okay.
Cool too. He's funny.
I'm gonna take you to the truck.
Holy. I don't think that's because he's scared. He's excited. Is he excited? The dog. It's funny how he's jumping up and down.
I don't think he's excited, buddy. I think he was scared because he was out of the chair.
Oh.
No, he was scared out of the chair the first couple ones.
Oh. Dad, those were high though. He probably thought they were going to land on him.
He's never seen them before, so.
He'll get used to them probably. Oh, this is cool. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. Oh. What? Yeah, I have one. That's a big box, small box, but big. Oh, you put him in the truck?
Yeah.
Oh.
He doesn't like to see it.
No.
Hear him, it doesn't bother him as bad.
He's just scared it's gonna land on him.
Under the chair for the whistlers.
Yeah.
like one of these motherfuckers.
Oh!
I told him
Yeah, that one.
today's his birthday, but get used to him on the 4th of July.
Yeah, that should be the finale. That gotta be the finale. Yeah, that's gotta be the grand finale. Oh, you just set it up. Oh, is that the same type? Oh. Are those the?
Like 5-inch mortar.
Yeah, that thing's like
You guys are doing them now? What?
They never bought no shit like this.
Bro, it's funny.
Yeah, we're about to like one of these.
Oh, you just oh no. Oh no.
Like a whole stick of dynamite about to blow up.
I can see those lights. Him? So funny. Yeah, me too. Nah, yeah, the skeets are getting on. Oh, these things are okay. These things are extra loud. Oh my god, guys, this is crazy. I don't like doing this in public, but I have to. Oh, this thing's like a stick of dynamite. Like they said, they were right. Stick of dynamite. Look how big that is. That's just one thing. Oh. No, they're doing that one. Thing's scratching me. Taking a while. So how's your day been? Yeah, okay. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna have to. Whoa! Whoa!
That went up high.
Oh, we missed it! Surprised there's so many fireworks over by our house. They don't do any for. Yeah, they don't do any over or by our house hardly. Whoa! Yeah, they hardly do them at over in Fish Lake. They don't do them that much. The neighbors don't. No, like my neighbors and stuff, they don't do them.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, actually, one of our neighbors does.
Not the Fish Lake over here by LaGrange. There's one over by the port.
Yeah, they know. Oh, you guys are just doing the bombers, aren't you? Yeah. No.
Here goes Brayden.
Ah! Ah! Scary! Yeah, I'm always outside. Yeah. Oh, itchy. Yeah. Itchy. They're not letting him. I can look that way. Whoa. Whoa. Those are cool, aren't they? Oh. Is he tired? Whoa! Okay, I think, yeah, Chunky would have been frightened. When it was falling down, Chunky would have been so scared. Okay, they're like, don't like 2 out of 8, bro. High five? What do you want? What? Hug? Let's look. It's alright, it's alright. Cover your ears though. Pretty loud. I thought they were loud.
The little one.
Oh, that's one of, I thought that was the Spark ones. You can unplug them. It wasn't the Spark ones. Ooh. Look. Let's go. Yeah. I would cover your ears for this one. Whoa. That was cool, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah, that one was cool. That one was cool. Yeah. That's a shoot one. Oh, look, he's laying down on me. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you leave the soonest, then I leave, and then Brandy leaves. Well, no, I should. Yeah, he does. He leaves.
Hey, you can unplug your ears for now. Why? They're not gonna do it. It's gonna take a while. It's cool. I like you. I like you. I feel bad that though because I couldn't.
I'm telling you right now.
Oh. Wow.
I hear his truck starting, and I'm awake though. I'm awake in my bedroom still, but just relaxing and watching the TV.
It's wow.
Get up,
What?
'cause I
It's
know
wow.
he leaves.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Jesus. Mosquitoes are everywhere.
I know.
Yeah. Yeah, is that why he's wearing his hoodie? Whoa, cover yours. Whoa. Two at once. It was so hard. Bro, 2 at once. That hurt my. You want to practice, right? Oh, I got in my hair. It got in my hair.
Lightning bug or what?
Yeah, no, one of the things. The thing fell in my hair.
I think it's a lightning bug.
Maybe. Yeah, look, it's right there.
Too, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was. Hey, you want to play in the slide? And if I would play on the slide, I would break it. Break it? I would break it. I'm too fat. I'm too heavy. Look, cover yours, cover yours. It's alright. It's alright. Cover them. Whoa. Yeah, that was cool. That was one. Whoa. You hearing them all? It's a little parade. Yeah, it's a little parade. Uncle Brian getting mad. I'm not gonna fall asleep with this itch. Jamie's gonna have to put itch cream on me. It's alright. Yeah, cover yours, cover yours. Whoa, bro. Yeah, those things, that was good. That was, not that loud. That wasn't as loud, was it?
You having fun, Braden?
Not with the mosquitoes, no.
Fireworks, though?
Yes.
Yeah, he wants to play. Hey, wait, hold on. Don't, it's wet. It's really wet. Oh, look, Uncle Brian. Look, it's my old playhouse. Look at it, look at me. Look at me. Nikki. And I would get on this. I can't even. Whoa, run. Oh, there's dog poop in there. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, now I was talking about the hair. Oh, go. Dang, I missed it. Yeah? That's my old one.
Your ears.
It's a big one.
Cover your ears.
Cover your ears. It's okay, it's okay. Foul ball. That's a foul ball. What?
It was a dud.
Yeah, I thought you said that was a big one. I'm like, huh? Hey, cover your ears, okay?
Big one. It's a really big one, baby. You ready?
On it. You don't have to cover your ears. Yum. Yum.
You know the Hellcat?
Oh, this is tiring. Oh, smoke's coming all around me. Ugh. I'm going back to my chair.
You're so grown, dude. Hey.
No, it's all icky in there too.
Yeah, that's like a.
Poop house for the dog.
Yeah, yucky,
That's
yucky.
yucky, dude.
Yeah, I smelled it, bro. That stinks. That's mine. That was mine old one. That was my old one. Oh, they wrecked that. Here's a good one. You don't have, maybe not, I don't know.
Got it.
Yeah, cover your ears.
That's the colors.
Oh, yeah, you're good. What? Yeah, hold on. Oh, what smells like that? It smells like mint.
Yeah, if you lift it.
Oh. Okay. I got it. Hold on, I'm getting sprayed. Hey,
I think you're going. Your other arm. Your other arm.
That's going crazy.
But you noticed it was going on.
Now put some on your hands, put it on your neck. Over your neck.
I got it. It's good. Oh, I smell like mint, don't I? Do I smell like mint? No. I don't. Foul ball. Yeah, that was foul. Wait, I want to see something. Well, it's kind of wet. Yeah, it's all wet. Sorry, bud. We can play ball while they do it. Yeah, we can play ball. What?
No, you're not. Get over here.
Okay.
Right now.
All right.
Watch these fireworks, buddy.
Oh, I thought they were done. I thought they were done.
Sorry, buddy.
I thought they were done.
No, they're not done.
It's all right. I thought they were done.
Look, you missed it.
I thought they were done.
Letting all these off the way.
Yeah.
All the big.
The finale. Yeah.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah.
Oh, this is finale.
No, this isn't, buddy.
Oh.
This is last. Rest for last.
That. Yeah, I was like, that was it. Like, okay. Yeah, I guess that was cool.
Hey, we're having fun and all them guys out there making noise.
Yeah, I just like hearing the noise too. Like, not like right by me though. This is so cool.
What's that noise, you guys?
Fireworks.
Look, baby.
Oh!
Back in the field behind us.
Yeah, if you stand up from here, you can see a little.
Oh, yeah. Light them all up over here.
Sit on this chair.
Right in that field behind the house. Wow.
Yeah, stand up.
Uh-oh, that was it.
Nope, that was not it.
Look how smoky it is, dude.
Bro, dude.
Around my house and
We're all
the
gonna
whole
have a hard
wall
time
covered
sleeping.
in smoke.
We get it. You fake, man. We get it.
That's part of it.
You can't even see across the street. It's so smoky.
You can't even, yeah. Oh, look, everybody else is seeing them.
Now that's the sound of freedom.
Kind of. Kind blind. Whoa.
Here goes.
Fasten your seatbelts.
That was cool.
Yeah. Oh.
It's got an audience now. People just walk around the street trying to get a free show.
Yeah.
Yeah, that might be the strap.
It's a free show for all of us, kind of. They're piles. Look at the cars even going slow.
Night is, you think?
No, there's like 8 people over there.
Yeah, they're all gone now. Oh yeah, it's just so foggy. Yeah, they probably can't like see it as good. Just look up in the air and you see fog. I mean smoke. We get it, Uncle Brian.
Mosquitoes over here.
They're preying on their prey.
Well, you gotta think about these bushes and that longer in the bushes too.
Yeah, but usually mosquitoes are like born in water. You know that? Yeah, they're. I have this. I have What was that called?
Thomas, you don't have nothing on your arms or legs.
Yeah, I do. Uncle Brian sprayed it on me. He got it.
Thank you.
You want
Get
some?
out.
He got his.
You got torch fluid in the house?
Yeah, we got one of those long things though.
Watch out! Woo, that was cool. My chair almost flipped on frontwards. I like these. These are fun. This is quite the night. I hardly ever have nights like this.
That was really cool.
I didn't know. I was like, I didn't know it was going up, and I was like, you see me? I went like this, Uncle Nicky. I went like this, and my chair was about to flip over. I thought that was coming right for me. My chair was about to flip over. That scared me. Where's Uncle Brian? Oh, he's going in. He's too. Uncle Brian's being a scaredy. He's just trying to get out of watching him. Yeah, that guy's just scared. He's just trying to get out of it. He don't. Oh, he's tired.
Night, night, buddy.
He wants with him. He wants to sit around me. Okay. Woo.
That was a good one.
Yeah. They're like, okay. Yeah, it was kind of. Yeah, it was good. I'm not used to fireworks at all. Not at all. I hardly have them. First time fireworks, so loud. Last year, I had this huge. Last year, I had these like 2 foot long fireworks. They would go across like a whole field. It was like crazy. And these 2 boys, they were acting like Harry Potter. They used them and they were shooting them at each other. It was so funny. They had protective gear on. One of them tripped over because it was coming right for it. Because they always like wouldn't like shoot them at each other, but one was turning right his way. He went, oh. It was so funny. That was like at least 2 years now. You can see him over there. Oh, the mosquitoes are right by me, but they're not. I'm trying to get my face now. Oh, this is fun. Yeah, he would have covered his ears.
Can we get some boomers?
What?
Can we get some boomers?
Boomers and mowers. They already got it. You don't. They don't need it, I don't think. Oh, look! You can see them everywhere. Free show for everybody. That hurts my ears. Yeah, those are fun. They're not done. They're nowhere near done. What time is it? I bet mine is longer 26 minutes. Taking an hour. Whoa! Oh, bro, that's just. That's coming right for us. It's coming right for us. That one's landed. Whoa! Whoa! Ah, I dropped my phone on me. Ow, it hurt my nose. Whoa! Cool. Hurts my ears. Kind of.
That didn't go that high.
No. It was like,
That was probably one of the ones, because ours didn't go high, buddy.
yeah, that's probably one of ours.
The one instead of a lot.
Yeah. You're probably right, yeah. Wasn't that? This is pretty fun.
Mix and match.
Yeah. Whoa! You can see him. I'm tired. Whoa! It's like thunder over there. Is that?
Can't even see. You see the colors.
That looks like thunder. You can hear them and just see the colors. Smoky. It's funny how all we hear is them. Edit. I think they're outside. You should go see.
What?
You should go see.
Go check my channel.
You gonna go check on him? Thank you. We record the video. There's flowers. I'm going with him real quick. How's it? Oh, where do I put this?
Take a video.
What? Okay, this is Thursday. Yeah, put it on that one. Thanks, Nikki.
Yep.
Braden's got me
At least
filming
I know
for it.
that they're not leaving without you because you're going to take some of this food home.
Oh, yep.
Oh, he wanted you to keep doing it?
Yeah.
Aw. He wants to show his grandpa what he did.
Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah. He said he's got a whole other 30-minute video.
If his battery stays.
He told me, please keep recording it. I'm going home.
No.
Hold on. Well, we gotta find all the kids.
The kids are in the house.
It's about to be a go. They don't want to watch.
I guess not.
It's about to be a go.
Let's go. Yeah, I guess
I
not.
know.
You know, I can't make him stay out here. I can't make him stay out here, guys.
I got it for him.
Aw.
Hell yeah.
That was a good one.
They heard it.
Yeah.
They seen it. Hey, she's over here. She's over here by me.
That was crazy.
That was
Here you go.
cool. Sit down. Right there.
That was crazy. Chunky got
I
right.
wanted to do this.
Whoa. Chunky got right up on me.
Was he scared?
No, he just like he's like, oh, what was
Brian was ready. Huh?
what?
Yeah, he goes higher.
Kids out here.
Yep.
I'm the only one. It's funny.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Thanks for doing that, Nikki.
Yeah,
You're recording it. I'll send it to
I
Gina.
got that one for you.
You want me to send it for you guys?
Sure.
Okay, I'll send it. Oh, dang it. It's on low battery.
Brian see it too?
Yeah. Hey, the whole neighborhood probably saw it.
Oh, that's only.
That's still cool. Oh, look, you can see them. Oh, it's each ways. Look right there.
And there.
Whoa!
This stuff really doesn't work for mosquitoes.
It does for me.
I don't want to put it on my face though.
That was his other thing.
Nah, I just rubbed it on my face. I just rubbed it on my cheeks and like this. Yeah,
You're not getting bit.
just like this. I'm not getting bit at all.
Okay.
I put a lot on
Well,
me
you're
though.
gonna take a bath though too. Okay.
Baths are important, buddy.
Yes.
Shower?
Okay, you can take a shower.
Yeah, I like
Same
showers.
thing.
I like showers better.
Okay, you can take a shower. But you have to get all that stuff off of you, buddy, before you go to sleep.
Oh, it's so cold. I'm colder than I'm not.
Take a hat on, buddy.
I know. I'm like shivering, but I'm not that cold.
I know, and then we got your jammies you can put on for winter.
I don't know why, but it smells like popcorn.
Oh, we'll make popcorn when we get in the home, okay?
I didn't even
I
say it.
promise, we'll make popcorn.
Yes.
She will put it in the microwave when we get in the house
so-
before. But I got you popcorn. It's a single bag. You can eat it yourself.
You got kids out here?
Yeah, I'm the only one. I don't know why that's so funny. Why is that so funny?
Because they just asked before you came here if there was any kids out here, and nobody was out here. No kids. And then twice she said, I'm the only one.
Uncle Brian must be seeing it from over there.
He's not a kid.
Ew. No, Uncle Brian must be seeing it over there. He must, like,
Oh, this is going to be a big one, right?
that was that space one, wasn't it? That was the space one, wasn't it? That was the alien one, wasn't it?
Talk to him, buddy.
Wasn't that was that the alien one?
Yeah.
You guys are gonna have a hell of a time cleaning this up, aren't you?
You're gonna have a hell of a time.
Okay, you can come back.
He said you're gonna have a hell of a time cleaning this up, Mason.
It's true though.
They said you go help.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna be eating popcorn in the house.
No, I told him I'd come up in the morning and help him clean up.
That's fine.
I did. I told him that.
Oh, bro.
No, they ain't cool though.
Yeah.
That's last night. Yeah, that was high. Oh, look at the little flakes falling down. Oh my god. Oh no! Ah, that's so close to us. Yeah, that was good. That was so close to us. Holy. Holy. Oh, there's 49. I know what a 49 shot is now. What
Ooh, that was cool.
the? Jeez. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Non-stop fireworks! Non-stop fireworks! They took that serious. You guys took the non-stop. You guys took the non-stop fireworks things a little seriously.
Yeah.
They did though,
One of them
didn't
got
they?
me- One of them.
All that one. Oh, cool. That's just cool.
Yeah.
This is cool, though.
The whole motherfucking block is smoke.
Yeah.
That's the 60th, remember?
Ash, plate.